Good morning everyone. Today I Kamalpreet Kaur of class 8A is standing in front of you to recite Omkar. Om. 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 ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्.
Morning everyone. Today Diya Arora of class 6A is here to speak the prayer that is showers of blessings. So here I start. There shall be showers of blessings. This is the promise of love. There shall be seasons refreshing, sent from the Savior above. Showers of blessings. Showers of blessings we need. Mercy drops around us are falling, but for the showers we plead. But for the showers we plead. There shall be showers of blessings. Send them upon us, O Lord. Grant us now a refreshing. Come and now honors the words. Showers of blessings. Showers of blessings we need. Mercy drops around us are falling, but for the showers we plead. But for the showers we plead. Thank you.
Take pledge position. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers and all the elders and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity. Alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Good morning everyone. Today's thought of the day is success is having the courage and the determination to become the person you believe in and you are meant to be. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Today I Shivansh is here for news headlines. Today's news headlines are as follows. Recovery rate of corona patients in India improved by 22.17%. Death toll rises to 886 and cured value to 6361. Over 29.94 lakh confirmed cases worldwide. World's death toll causes 2.07 lakh people. PM Modi interacted with CM via video conferencing regarding lockdown exit plan. Prime Minister Modi emphasized to linked with Arogya Setu app. No new coronavirus cases in 85 districts in last 14 days, says Centre. The mantra of successful lockdown is stay safe and help save life. Thank you and have a nice day.
Habiba of class 6A is here to tell you a speech on the topic International Dance Day. So here I start. International Dance Day is a global celebration of dance created by the Dance Committee of the International Theatre Institute (ITI), the main partner for the performing arts of UNESCO. The event takes place every year on 29 April, which is the anniversary of birth of Jean Georges Nouveau, the creator of modern ballet. The day strives to encourage participation and education in dance through events and festivals held on the date all over the world. UNESCO formally recognized ITI to be the creators and organizers of the event. Every year since its creation in 1982, an outstanding dance personality is selected to write a message for International Dance Day. IIT also create a flagship event in a selected host city when there are dance performances, educational workshops, humanitarian projects and speeches made by ambassadors, dignitaries, dance personalities and the selected message author for that year. The day is a celebration day for those who can see the value and importance of the art form dance, and acts as a wake-up call for the governments, politicians and institutions which have not yet recognized its value to the people.
Good morning everyone. Welcome to the special assembly on International Dance Day by Mighty Marks. Here are the Mighty Marxians, Hansika, Naman, Shreyas, Siddharth to represent different dance styles. Hope you will enjoy.
गलत मेरी बातें गलती से ही दुनिया बनी पूरा सही कोई नहीं है ले ले मेरी चेतावनी दिल में जो आए आज हो जाए दिल में जो आए आज हो जाए आज स्टेज लगा है बड़ी जगह है do it with a twist
Pull up the bass.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंग। तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तब जय गाथा। जन गण मंगल गायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।